All right, here's a checkpoint. So again, we're going to simplify this trigonometric expression. So go ahead and write it down, pause, and then come back and see if you got the same answer I got. All right, here we go. So what are we going to do here? First thing I'm going to do is I see that we have a common factor here. Oops. I see we have a common factor here, so I'm going to factor out the cosecant x. So let's do that. So I get cosecant x times cosine squared x minus 1. Okay, now again I see something that looks like the Pythagorean identity is at work. So remember that it's sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. Okay, so again, if I do this here, sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals 1. If I solve for this one, right, I want to substitute in sine squared x here. But again, if I solve for sine squared x, I get sine squared x equals 1 minus cosine squared x. Okay, so if I factor out a negative 1, then what do I get? I get the negative of what? Cosine squared x minus 1, right? So now I have the same thing here. So what I'm going to do is factor out a negative here. If I factor out the negative here from this, I'm going to get this. So now I'm going to factor out the negative sign, so that's going to give me negative cosecant x times, now it's going to be 1 minus cosine squared x, right? Now I have it in the form this is equal to this. Okay, so now I'm going to substitute in, so it's going to be negative cosecant x times what? Sine squared x. Okay. Now, I can still simplify this because I can write this as 1 over, negative 1 over sine x, right, times sine squared x and what do I get? I get negative sine x. So I just showed, I simplified this, and so this expression right? This expression here is the same as that expression. And I can graph both of those on a graphing calculator to show that they are the same. All right. If you didn't get the same answer, check your work, or if you have any questions, let me know.